Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yara. I hope you guys are having an amazing and blessed day. What I have for you guys today is a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing a haul and I'm going to be showing you guys what I got at different stores. But first, I'm going to start with Shein. I hope I'm saying this right. I do want to mention that it's my first time that I order from this website and I'm so excited to finally be sharing with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. We're going to start with Shein, then we're going to move on to Ross and so on. So the first little bag is these shorts. I don't know, I feel like everyone needs biker shorts, so I did buy this right here. The material is really good. I do want to mention that it looks a little bit see-through, but once you have them on, you're not going to be able to see anything. I really enjoyed the fit on this size large, my love. So this is the first item. Next little bag, and by the way, I do want to mention that I'm obsessed with the packaging. I think it's super cute how they back their little outfits. It prevents any accidents during the transportation. I think it's really smart because if you don't know, Shein also sells makeup products, so I did buy a little bit of makeup products and little things like that. So I'll be sharing with you guys that when we're done with the clothes. Okay, next item, I did want to get some leggings. These are kind of pants leggings. I don't know how to describe them. They're really good material, super thick, and the reason I ordered this is for my job. I'm gonna be using these leggings for work since I can only wear leggings. I can't wear jeans at work. It only has to be leggings and have to be black. So I wanted to try this for work. I hope they work nice for that. I love the length, I love the material, I love the thickness of it. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. Of course, you gotta keep in mind that this Shein website, it is really cheap, so some of the items may be a little bit see-through, like you can see right here, but I do not mind at all, especially because my work shirts are pretty long, so I'll be fine with that. This is also size large, and like I mentioned, this is the first time I order from Shein, and I think large is a perfect fit for me right now. I do think that it's true to size, but if you want to feel a little bit more comfortable, if it's your first time ordering from this website, I would recommend to go a size bigger. It's better to fit a little loose than too tight and you can't do nothing about it. So you can always throw it in the dryer and shrink the clothes, but size large work really good for me. Next item is this beautiful shirt. This is in an extra large. Like I said, I wasn't sure what size to get for my first time, so I did went size bigger, especially on the shirts, but this was her extra large, and to be honest, I'm so happy I got an extra large, because if I would have got a large, I don't think it would have fit as nice as this one's did. I'm not gonna lie, I already wore this one, but I'm obsessed with it. I already washed it and nothing happened to my shirt. I'm super happy. I'm even more excited that I bought in this beautiful mustard shade. It is basically the same shirt, it's just a different color, of course, and this one is also in the size extra large. I'm obsessed with the fit. Can't wait for you guys to see it on. It's just amazing. I love the material of all of the clothes that I ordered so far, and I can't wait to order more. And if you guys want to see more Shein hauls, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss my future video. With you guys, these beautiful pajamas. Of course, I'm not going to try them on for you guys, but I wanted to share with you because I'm obsessed with this color. It's just a beautiful fuchsia, and this is what it looks like. It is all together, so like a romper to go to sleep, but this is what it looks like. This is how the back looks like. This is super nice. It is stretchy, like you can notice, so I can't wait to try this on, and they do have different colors. I'll move on with the random beauty related products that I found at Shein. Like I don't know if I mentioned before, but I didn't even know that Shein carried makeup or beauty related products. When I saw them on their website, I was super excited and I wanted to try it out for you guys. So again, don't forget to subscribe so you can see all these products in action. Start with these beautiful brushes that I found. So you guys are never gonna believe how much I paid for these brushes. It does come with a few of them, and they were only $5. I don't know if it was a special or what was going on, but I can't believe I paid $5 for this. And look at this beautiful set. It does come with 10 beautiful brushes. I also had to pick up face brushes, but these ones are what they look like. Super stunning. Let's take a moment to appreciate how beautiful this packaging is. It's just stunning. They do have different colors, but oh my god, overall it's super soft, great material. It is pretty. It is on the heavy side, so this means it's gonna last a very long time. I don't know if they'll break if you drop them, so be careful. But this is what these brushes look like. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss me testing out this beautiful Shein brushes. In the beauty section, I was able to find some tweezers. I just love applying my lashes with tweezers, so I had to get them. They were only $1 and they're just stunning. I just can't get over their little packaging. It's so cute. Next random item, I've been wanting to buy a professional, it does say it's a professional tip and acrylic clipper. I've been wanting some of this since I want to start doing my own nails at home. Next item, I'm super excited because this is a waterproof tinted eyebrows cream. I'm just gonna link all the prices down below in the description box, or put the prices on the screen for you guys. And I did get on the shade dark brown. This is what it looks like. It does come with the little brush and the cream, of course. The brush is super nice. I'm sure I'm not gonna use it, but I'll test it out for you guys if you guys are interested. This is the little tiny brush, and this is the product. Again, this is in the shade dark brown. Okay, my loves, and that's it for Shein. Now we're gonna move on with Ross. Okay, luckily for Ross items, I did keep the tags on them for you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna start with these beautiful pajamas. Again, I'm not gonna try them on since they're pajamas, but they do come with this beautiful shorts and this beautiful shirt for $22. I only paid $9.99 for it, and this one even has a different price. This one says it was $24, so I had to buy this. Next shirt, I just was obsessed with the color and I had to buy it. This is in a size medium and it was only $5.99. Look how stunning this color is, and like you can notice, it is off the shoulders. I don't even think the camera is doing justice to this color. This color is super beautiful and it was just calling spring to me. You guys have noticed, but I love bright colors, especially on the spring summertime, and I had to buy this shirt. This shirt was only $5.99 and this is in the size medium, but again, it's off the shoulders. I love that, and I love how it's shorter on the front and longer on the back. It's just a stunning color. I love the shirt as well. Next shirt, I got this shirt for only $5.99 and this is a size large. This is what it looks like. It does have this different material on the shoulders, which I really like. I think it's different, and I think are gonna match some sandals that I have, so that's why I got this shirt, to be honest, to match some of the sandals that I bought last time at Ross. But how stunning is this shirt? This color, it's stunning, and the fit was really nice. But this beautiful shirt, this was from 10.50 and I only paid $5.99, and this is also a size medium, and this is what it looks like. I love this right here. It's just stunning. I love the color, and this is just what it looks like. The material, again, super comfortable. No matter how many times you throw it in the washer, it's gonna last a very long time. I just love the material. It is a little bit on the thicker side. Of course, I left the two shirts that I'm obsessed with at the end. Do want to mention that I did wear one of them and I got stopped in so many places, people just asking and wanting to know where I got it, and they were shook when I told them I got it at Ross. Isn't that crazy? This is a shirt that I already wore, so it's probably a little dirty, sorry about that. This is in the size large, And I don't know if you guys have noticed, I don't really like wearing white, especially when you have kids. They get dirty really fast. Or makeup, if you always wear makeup all the time like myself, you have to be careful with this shirt. But this is the first shirt, I'm obsessed with it. It was only $5.99. And wait till you guys see the back. Are you guys ready? It has an open back. I'm just obsessed with this shirt. Like I said, a lot of people stopped me in the mall wanting to know where I got this shirt. And yes, ladies, it's from Ross. It was only $5.99. Of course, these two shirts you do need to wear with a white bra. And this one is the next shirt. This is also size large, and again it was only $5.99, and it's basically almost the same. This one is just a little different. It's ripped and it has different colors on the lips, but how stunning it is. You can notice right here on the side is different, and then it is ripped and it is closed on the back, which I don't really mind. I wear this shirt with red Converse and it looks stunning, so I can't wait to wear this one again with either red Converse or I'll wear with my white Converse. They're just stunning. Look how beautiful they are for only $5.99. Okay, my love, so that was it for Ross, and now this is just a little extra for this little video since I made you guys wait. I usually post on Sunday and I made you wait all this time, so I apologize for that. So this is a little surprise for you, a little bit extra for you guys. So what I'm trying to say, I did buy things at Ulta and I want to share with you guys. The item that I got is of course a foundation, and this is by Becca. It's also an ultimate coverage 24-hour foundation. This is what it looks like. This is in the shade Sepia, which is 4C2. This is what it looks like. In the packaging, looked really dark. I was a little scared, I'm not gonna lie. It says, of course, of all this COVID-19 that is happening, you can't really touch their makeup or test it on your skin. So I basically have to guess this foundation, and it was pretty pricey. It was 45, I believe. 45 or 55, I can't remember, but this is what the shade looks like. Again, I was scared. I was like, what if it's not gonna match me? But it does match really beautiful, and I can't get over this beautiful packaging. It's just stunning. I agree with everything that says. It is super ultra coverage and it's gonna last a very long time on your skin. You need to, if you're looking for a great full coverage for oily or combination skin foundation, you're gonna love this foundation. Just trust me. And again, I'm gonna have a makeup video coming up really soon, testing out all this makeup that I got and the makeup brushes. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss that beautiful tutorial that I have coming up. And then of course, like I mentioned before, was in the need of a great product for my brows. So just in case if the Shein brow kit doesn't work for me, I'm gonna buy something a little bit more pricey to see the difference kind of. But this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brown Pomade, and this was like, I want to say $30 or $20. It was pretty pricey. I'll just leave the price on the screen. And this is in the shade Ebony. The shade that the lady was recommending for me wasn't on stock, so I just got the closest next to that one just because I was in the need of something good for my eyebrows. You guys don't know the struggle. And of course, I had to get a good brush for this pomade, and this one is the Angle Brow Brush and Spoolie. And this is by Benefit. So this brush was $21 alone. So I know I'm probably crazy, but I just wanted something beautiful for my brows, and I've been dying again to use it on my eyebrows. I have heard beautiful things about it, so I'm so excited to finally be able to test it out. This is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys seen this pomade all over YouTube tutorials, but this is what it looks like. And again, it's in the shade Ebony. Next item, of course, since I was already spending on a good coverage foundation, I had to get a good primer, right? What is a good foundation without primer? Nothing, girls. So I had to get the Becca, and this is the Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. So this is what it looks like. Again, this was really pricey, I believe $40. I don't even remember the prices. I've been saving this for a whole week already, so but I'll link them down below for you guys. But I do want to mention that I did use this already once, and oh my god, my loves, I'm obsessed with this product. It's the best primer I have ever put on my skin. It's just stunning. Do recommend if you're looking for a great primer to get your hands on this, especially if you have large pores and you want a matte finish for your face. You need to get this. 1.35 ounces, so it's gonna last a very long time, especially because a little bit goes a long way. It will cover your whole face, I promise. Last little items, I had to get something for my lips, of course. A Morphe liquid lipstick, and they're both matte. These are the two shades that I found. I was in the need of a good red lippy, especially for those beautiful shirts that I showed you guys, the one with the lips. I can't wait. Imagine with the red lip, it will look stunning. So yeah, this is the red one, and these ones are just stunning, and I love the packaging. Like, I have never owned a Morphe lippy, so this is stunning. This is stunning lipstick, and I have tried it before, and it stayed on my lips all day long, and it's, yes, it is super matte. But look how stunning this is. I just love the packaging, and this is in the shade Hot Shot. So I recommend the shade 100%. And this shade is the shade Jealously. And this is what it looks like. I'm obsessed with this shade. It was of course, it was one of my favorites. It does not look nothing like the little box, but it's stunning. I'm obsessed, and I'm glad I picked this up. I almost didn't pick it up because of the color of the box, but once I took it out, I was like, oh my god, I need this on my life. It just looks stunning on the lips, and like I said, it will last on your lips all day long, and it's not gonna crack your lips or feel dry or anything like that. It's just stunning. So that was it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully you guys didn't mind that I got all different 3 little stores in one video. I hope you guys didn't mind that at all. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe for more Dollar Tree videos and more makeup tutorial videos. I love you so much, and I'll see you on the next one.